Hey Future Wildcats, I'm Catherine Harity, and today we have a nice and relaxing brain break for you called box breathing. Box breathing is a breathing technique that Navy SEALs use to ensure focus on whatever they're doing. So, how do you box breathe? So, you'll inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds, and hold that for 4 seconds. And as you can see, your breath work is in the shape of a box. My friend Mango will be on the screen with a 3-minute timer to help you keep track of time. And teachers, you can have your class box breathe for as long or as little as you'd like. All right, let's get to box breathing. Inhale. Exhale. 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 I hope you're as relaxed as I am. Bye, Future Wildcats!